Hello, Research Studio members. Today we are going to see advanced functions in Excel such as if function, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, match. We'll also see concatenate, text join. However, I'm using Excel 2016 and some functions are not available in these old versions, like XLOOKUP and text join are available in Microsoft Excel 2019 or later versions such as 360 degrees. All right, but I will show the formulas. So let's start with if functions. So if function is an important conditional function in Excel because it checks whether a condition is met, and when it is met, it returns one value if true, and any value you have assigned. And if it is wrong, then it assigned to another value false. All right. So we can use fictitious data. Let's have maybe student ID. We'll use fewer so that you can see clearly. Let's use this number and maybe name. We use just fictitious name. All right, these are names. Maybe we need also gender. Okay, you can say this female, this female, this male, this male, this female, this male, this male, this female, this male, this male, this female, this female, this female, and this male. Okay. All right. Now we need maybe continuous data such as score. All right, good. Now you have good and clear data here. So we are going to use if function now. Let's say we want to see students who have passed, who have more than 50%, all right, score. Okay, to identify them, you can say, you can come here and maybe put another variable which is passing, or pass and fail, pass and fail. Okay, now here you put equal sign and come put if, and when if comes you double click on it and it shows the syntax formula. It shows first you have to put logical test. Logical test, like when you have a logical test like exact or match, you can use them, but we will not use it. We can go ahead and just put the value we want. All right, we can say that if you put first value, like if this value 45, if it is more than this, all right, this symbol, more than 50, okay, even more than or equal to 50, then return pass or assign pass. So when it is a string variable like a word, you put in a quotation mark, all right, comma. If not, then return fail, like this. Then if done, then you can hit enter. All right, you see it is failed because 45 is less than 50. Okay, then you can copy the formula down. Well, you can see fail, yes, fail, yes, pass, yes, because 56 is more than 50. Pass, yes, fail, okay, fail, here, pass, okay, here, that. You see, this is very important. Like you need this one if you want to analyze categorical data. You can see we had continuous data, but we have converted them into categorical data among students who passed the test and who failed the test. So you can analyze this categorical data from continuous data. So this function is very important functions. All right, we can also move around, and like when you want to take data from Excel to SPSS, let's say, you don't take this this string data. You just have to assign the code. All right, you can come here and say gender code. So code like number, right? So you come here, you say if this variable or this data or this cell is female, all right, you turn 1, otherwise you turn 2. Here we are. So where we have 2, we mean it is male, and where we have 1, we mean it is female, like this. So these are called that explain our gender. All right. Yes, so we have another important feature we needed to explain. For example, if we don't have, if we have a missing variable, like let's say we don't have data here, okay, don't have data here, and if we learn a function, if we learn our function here, you see, even where we don't have data, it assumes it's fail. But this is not true, because maybe this student, Candy and Mandy, didn't do the test. So there is no reason to say they failed because they didn't do the test, right? So because this will be wrong formula, so we needed to rectify it, all right? We come here. We just needed to mention the missing data, the missing values. We come here. If this one is nothing, nothing means double quotation mark, then return nothing, or just return missing. Okay, now after that we need again the function if, as we did before, this one is greater or equal to 50, return pass, otherwise return fail. All right, so this will correct the mistake. Yes, but the bracket. If you copy the formula, now you can see we didn't grade the student who didn't do the test. All right, so this is how we can do. So in next episode of video, we will look about the VLOOKUP.